Hey everyone, want to know how to make an extra $100 a day even as a beginner? It's more achievable than you think. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, it's about smart, flexible work. In this short video, I will unlock the secret to earning $100 daily. You won't believe how many people are taking advantage of this opportunity and earning thousands of dollars online. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Within the next few seconds, you'll see the magic website that will fill your account with $100 daily.
Okay. Just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox. Okay.
Let me introduce you to Appen.com. It's a leading platform offering remote, flexible work opportunities worldwide. Think microtasks, data annotation, and search engine evaluation, all from your computer or smartphone. You can set your own hours and work from anywhere. It's perfect for students needing extra cash, job seekers building experience, or anyone wanting to boost their income. No fancy degree required, just a willingness to learn and a reliable internet connection. Head over to Appen.com, sign up, and start exploring projects. Your daily $100 could be just a few clicks away. It's a practical way to earn, learn, and grow your financial freedom.